Welcome back, guys, to another video with a little programmer. Today we're going to start with the real coding, but last time, for the people who didn't watch the video, we learned how to download Visual Studio Code for Windows and also how to download Python for the computer as well. Okay, so today we're going to learn the Python indentation or spacing in Python. Spacing in generally in coding is really important for the device to understand the code. So today we're going to learn that with Python. Okay, so first we start with a really simple code to give examples on. We will write the if function and then 5 is greater than 2. Okay, so here is the first thing. And anyways, Visual Studio Code is really helpful with spacing or indentation because if we write here, for example, if we press enter after the double column, here it will give us spacing automatically, as we can see here. Like if we do it again, it spaced it till here, and we already have some space here. Because the spacing in this part really affects the code, and we will try now and I'll show you. Okay, so if 5 is greater than 2, print 5 is greater than 2. And now we will see that it will give us an error, and this is really and now we will see it will eventually, if we run the code, it will give us an error because of the spacing. See here, expanded an intended block after if statement on line 1. So it expected a space between these two lines, like here. Now we will comment this out, and by the way, commenting or canceling the code in Python is a hashtag, like writing a hashtag between the line of code, or I would like to use if I'm commenting multiple lines at once, is it's control right dash. So now let's try the other code with the spacing, with the intended space here. Now as you can see, it even didn't give us the red color on the file name. Now if we run the code, we won't have any problems with the code, and it even printed the 5 is greater than 2. Thank you guys for watching this episode. I hope you had a great time watching it, and I hope you learned about Python and indentations. And I would like you please to click the subscribe button so we can reach 200 subscribers at the end of this month. And don't forget to click the like button. And if anyone has any questions, please ask in the comments. And see you next episode.